In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-accept or decline calendar invites in Outlook. If you regularly receive a lot of meeting invitations, setting up an automatic rule in Outlook can help you stay organized and save time. Instead of manually reviewing every invite as it comes in, you can create a rule that helps Outlook handle certain messages automatically based on the conditions you choose. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the rule settings and how to configure them clearly. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you're on the main screen. Once Outlook is open, look to the upper right area of the window and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where you'll find many of the options used to customize how your Outlook account behaves. After the Settings panel opens, click on Mail. This section contains controls for how incoming messages are handled, including rules that can automate actions for you. Once you're inside the Mail settings, find and click Rules. This is the area where you can create instructions that Outlook will follow automatically whenever an incoming message matches the criteria you define. Now click Add New Rule. This will open the rule creation window where you can begin building your automation. First, enter a rule name. Choose a name that clearly describes what the rule is for, so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might use a name that reflects the type of calendar invites or the action the rule is meant to take. Next, select a condition. This step is important because the condition tells Outlook when the rule should apply. Take a moment to choose the condition that best matches the kind of calendar invites you want Outlook to process automatically. Being specific here can help prevent the rule from affecting messages you still want to review manually. After that, select an action. This determines what Outlook will do when a message meets the condition you set. If needed, choose Move To, and then select the folder where you want those messages to go. This can be useful for keeping your inbox clean and making sure invite-related messages are stored in a dedicated place for easy reference later. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your new rule will then become active, and Outlook will begin applying it automatically to matching messages. Before you finish, it's a good idea to review the rule one more time to make sure the name, condition, action, and folder selection all match your intention. A well-configured rule can make calendar management much smoother and reduce the amount of manual sorting you need to do each day.